Good afternoon. The T Marzetti Company began as a restaurant in Columbus, Ohio in 1896. The restaurant moved 3 times between 1896 and 1935. From 1935 to 1971, Marzetti's restaurant enjoyed a 4-star rating and was situated directly across the street from the Ohio State Capitol. In 1969, Marzetti's was purchased by Lancaster Colony Corporation, who remains our parent corporation. Besides great food, the Marzetti restaurant became famous for its coleslaw dressing. So much so that Marzetti built a salad dressing plant in 1955. Since then, by way of product innovation, strategic innovation, acquisitions, and brilliant marketing, we've grown to more than $1.1 billion in gross sales, operating in 6 states with 14 operating locations and 2 distribution centers. We have a liquid division and a dough division employing more than 3,000 employees who produce a great family of brand name items which are hopefully familiar to you. Our continuous improvement journey actually began as a concept more than 17 years ago. Our HR team and operations team at this time had just collaborated on a company-wide program to standardize our KRAs, or key result areas. That was all well and good, but without a benchmark to measure against, we found ourselves turning to the metrics supplied by Industry Week's 10 Best Plants of the Year. What we discovered were serious gaps between our plant's data and the winning Industry Week's plants metrics. In looking for ways to reduce these gaps, our journey to become the best of the best, or at the very least, one of the best of the best, really began. Evaluating all the best practices or improvement regimens available in the middle 90s really took our company on a couple of directions. We could employ a consulting firm and drive improvement one plant at a time, or move our development company-wide and develop a grassroots approach and grow that improvement regimen from within. We chose the latter, which meant we had to marry an improvement methodology. We chose and really embraced lean manufacturing and developed a very strong relationship with a Center for Operational Excellence at The Ohio State University. It was the COE that convinced us the best manner to deploy lean manufacturing throughout the food group, which consisted of 16 plants at the time, was to take our plant managers, assistant plant managers, and several production managers and put them through the Lean Manager Certification Program. This program is a joint venture which continues to this day between the Ohio State University Fisher School of Business and Productivity Incorporated based in Sheldon, Connecticut. They are a consulting firm and supply training, and they've been in business more than 30 years. One of the other consultants Marzetti utilized following the Lean Manager Certification training was David Mann. Not only did we use David, but we totally adapted all the tenets of his book, Creating a Lean Culture, which provided an easy-to-understand methodology of tools to sustain a lean conversion. At this point, and we've actually traveled about 8 years, Marzetti's formalized continuous improvement by establishing a department. And for me, I came from manufacturing to continuous improvement, but I really didn't travel very far. Roughly 3.5 years ago, continuous improvement took on a whole new appearance, and this is what the CI department looks like today. We have a continuous improvement department. We have 5 continuous improvement silos that we operate. The first silo consists of 5S improvement and sustainment, including required audits and scans into the continuous improvement SharePoint site. The second silo consists of management training or skill building, utilizing the Lean Manager Certification Program, the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt and Black Belt certifications, total predictive maintenance certification, all through our affiliation with the Ohio State Center for Operational Excellence and Productivity Incorporated. We also partner with the Alabama Technology Network the Iowa Technology Network, and the Kentucky Technology Network. The third silo consists of value stream map strategies and implementation. The fourth silo consists of A3s, or continuous improvement projects. The silo also provides a good bit of employee engagement, which in turn perpetuates the grassroots building of a culture of continuous improvement. The fifth silo consists of total predictive maintenance, or as I like to refer to it as, the implementation of lean equipment management. And we haven't quite reached the fifth silo yet, but it's next on our agenda. Now that, in a nutshell, is our version of the T Marzetti Continuous Improvement Program. Thanks so much for your attention.